Wednesday, 27th of November 2024. Crabby mood in the morning, gross humidity. Got coffee, went to the community centre for produce swap. A bit thin this week, not a lot of visitors and not so much stuff on the table. Did some pruning with the gardening group. We planned a few weeks of activities for the new year. Redacted might help me with drilling some wood pieces at the men's shed for puzzles for Christmas gifts. Gave the coffee machine a clean. It would be epic if flushing it and running the cleaning cycle were to help the machine be more consistent. We shall see. Visited the Redacteds, had some cake. Redacted might have eaten a mouse. Staked tomatoes in the rain. I didn't realize that the string that I had tied the tomato seedlings with ages ago was now cutting into some of the stems. Fuck my life. I've totally fucked up this season of tomatoes, I think. Put some pot ash from the produce swap in the tomato plants and around the garden. Cooked some pasta. Heard back in relation to the class action lawsuit against ANZ for them charging illegal credit card interest a few years ago. Upon inspection, the amount of interest that they charged me illegally for in the time frame in question was less than the threshold for me to receive a payout, unfortunately. Or fortunately, I guess. Damn, I had been hoping that I might get a few grand out of that class action. Well, it's water under the bridge now. I'll just let the illegal interest charges go. I'm sure that ANZ would be chill and just let it go if I owed them any amount of money. They wouldn't hassle me out for years over a relatively small amount of money or anything. Who cares if it was illegal for ANZ to charge me that interest in the first place? I was already drowning in debt, and while I was already drowning in debt and going insane. Po bodies nerfect. Mood 5, energy 5, moods bored, grumpy, grateful, gardening in the rain.